Are you currently having problems with recharging on your TikTok app and you want to be able to fix this problem? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you because actually me myself, I had the exact same issue before and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it quite quickly. So what you're going to do firstly is to just open up your TikTok app and then you're going to come to your profile right here as you can see. And now when you're on your profile right here, then what you're going to do, you're going to firstly click on the three lines in the top right corner. So click on the three lines. And as you can see, you should now be able to get these alternatives in here. So what you're going to do in here is to just click on settings and privacy. So click on settings and privacy. It should now take you to this page. Now on this page, we're just going to scroll down and we're going to actually click on report a problem. So I did this myself, by the way. So I click here and then I'm just going to scroll all the way down and click on chat with us. So as you can see, so click on chat with us. And in here, what you're going to do, you're just going to write report a problem. Just write exactly like this, report a problem. Otherwise, it's going to not let you submit a ticket as you can see. So now we can click on submit a ticket in here. And now you need to write exactly like this. I have issues with not being able to recharge. I need this to be fixed. You don't need to write anything else than this, just write like this to them. I have issues with not being able to recharge. I need this to be fixed. Now click on submit. What you need to do after this is unfortunately 24 to 48 hours is the standard waiting time. Sometimes you're going to get a response and solution quite like a lot more quicker. I guess I was lucky. I got it fixed quite quickly, but I would say that standard is 24 to 48 hours, unfortunately. So wait until they actually see that you have submitted this info to them, and hopefully they will be able to fix it for you. They will get back to you. You will be able to see that you have a response, and that means that they have now gotten back to you, and hopefully then it's going to be fixed for you.